It's about taking risk, and it's about minimizing that risk so that you can get the best possible yield.
What do you think the key risk is for CIOs or anyone who's been working in traditional IT infrastructure?
Not moving fast enough. Just the adoption of technology and being able to harness it to leverage value for your business. More importantly, leverage value for your clients.
Let's talk a little bit about open technologies. What does that mean to you?
Adopting an open standards architecture is a core value for any organization trying to transform, not just to make sure that they have the capabilities to be relevant in the future, but to keep that in a cost architecture that is reasonable over that long course of time as well, right? Power Systems is a good example of that, the Open Power Consortium.
When I started working with Linux, it was all about control, right? You were giving up something to get something else. And I don't think it has to be that way anymore.
There are technology sets that need to be highly secure, and there are technology sets that need to be highly free and highly open. But that does not mean the underlying architecture of open source doesn't support both of those goals, right? And so that's more of an adoption of technology as a standard and a strategy around that.
I know you talk to 100 clients or more a year. What are they talking about, data? What are their biggest concerns?
One is, how do I secure it? While being able to access it freely in a big market. And two is, what do I do with it? You have to have the security, you have to have the physical infrastructures, and you have to be able to do that at scale and with performance. All of these things are going on simultaneously and at such a furious pace that it's difficult for any client and in the marketplace to keep up and to make sure that you're adopting policies and technologies that will help to keep you relevant in the long term.
It always goes back to that balance, right? Of how do you have something that works, but then how do you have something that you're aspiring to, that you're growing and reaching, and you're trying to build a better business for yourself?
There's no shortage of work to be done in our world, whether it's systems or applications or data. It's a matter of putting that all together, making it economically appropriate, and delivering the right results for your business at that right time. So CIO is more relevant than ever.